Christ's blood for even me. Once I was straying.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng 2 Chronicles chapter 15 verse 2. Ito po pagkasabi, "The Lord is with you while you are with Him. If you seek Him, He will be found by you. But if you forsake Him, He will forsake you." My topic for this morning is, whose side are you? May mga panahon mga kapatid nagtatanong ang Lord, kanino ba tayo talaga kakampi? Kahapon po ay binanggit sa pangangaral ni Pastor Reed na kaninong side ba tayo, no? Being a Christian doesn't guarantee that God is on our side any more than being an ancient Israelite guaranteed that God was on theirs in Isaiah chapter 3 verse 14 to 15. Remember that God is on our side if we are on His side. God, ibig po sabihin, kung tayo po ay nasa Kanya, din siya ay kasama din natin, no? Draw nigh unto me and I will draw nigh unto you. God is on the side of those who are on His side, who know His heart and mind and do His will, not on those who insist on convincing God and others that their way is right. These are the people, mga kapatid, that they consider na hindi yung will nila ang tama, bagkus ang kalooban ng Diyos ang siyang tama higit sa lahat. Another point, instead of jumping into a situation with the presumption that God is on our side, we need to be certain that we are on His side. Kasi kung halimbawa, alam natin na nasa side tayo ng Lord, for sure, He is on our side. Do not assume lang, mga kapatid, no? Sometimes we are presumptuous enough thinking na kasama natin ang Diyos. But remember this, kung hindi tayo lumapit sa Diyos, hindi rin siya lalapit sa atin. Kung hindi tayo papanig sa Diyos, hindi rin siya papanig sa atin. It's dangerous to mistake our wishes for God's will. Sometimes, iniisip kasi natin, hindi natin alam ang will ng Lord eh. But I want to tell you, there's one thing that I know in the Bible na nagsabing, give thanks for this is the will of God. If you want to know the will of God or if you want to fulfill the will of God, give thanks. That's the starting point. You are on God's side. I want to tell you, whatever problem you are facing today, ano man yung kinakaharap mo ngayon, God is on your side if you will continue to be on God's side. God bless po at magandang umaga.